Hey there, Fortnite fans! We've got some exciting news for you today. Fortnite has just released their new chapter, and we can't wait to share all the details with you. So, let's dive right in. First off, Fortnite's new chapter is called Chapter
6, Hunters.
And guess what?
It's all about the Japanese theme. The Onis are
Mysterious and powerful
creatures that are evil at the Fortnite Island. The Oni masks have been introduced. These masks give various powers. And now it's time to look at the other features. First being new first-person mode, also known
new game mode called Ballistic. In this mode, players will be
able to enjoy new view, being able to play the game in a different perspective.
It's going to be a thrilling new experience, and we can't wait to see how it all plays out. And last but not least, Fortnite has revealed their new Messi skin. Yes, that's right, you can now play as the legendary
footballer player himself.
The skin is available in the item shop, so be sure to check
it out and show off your football
soccer skills in the game. So there you have it, folks. Fortnite's new chapter,
Chapter 6, Hunters,
Point, is here, and it's packed with exciting new features and content. We hope you enjoy exploring
Hunters, trying out the
new ballistic mode, and showing off your Messi skills. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more Fortnite updates and news. Until next time, happy gaming!